In my previous videos, I have shown you how to apply for Canada Child Benefit and how to fill RC66 SCH form in detail. To get more clarity before watching this video, please watch these two videos which I have pasted in my description box below. In today's video, we'll discuss about when did we apply for CCB, how long does it take for the first CCB payment, how is the Canada Child Benefit paid, how much are we receiving, how should we be aware of scammers? This is very important. How is the Canada Child Benefit paid? The Canada Child Benefit is paid out monthly by check or direct deposit for a period of 12 months from July to June. It will take 8 to 11 weeks to get our first CCB payment. So let's get started. In Google, type CRA login. Click on the first link, CRA sign-in services. Click on My Account. Scroll down and click on Sign in Partner. Select your sign-in partner. Log in with your credentials. By 17th of July 2023, we have completed 18 months in Canada. We have applied for Canada Child Benefit on 18th of July 2023. When I logged into CRA on 7th of August to check the status of my CCB application, the status was application processed as on 2nd of August 2023. Let's click on Canada Child Benefits application link. Here you can see the progress tracker of your application. This is our application status as on 2nd of August. The estimated issue date for your notice is September 20th, 2023. The notice will show if you are eligible, how much you will get if applicable, and the information we use to calculate the amount. To see account and payment detail, I am clicking on Benefits and Credits link. In this page, you can see as a mother, currently I am the primary responsible for my child. Child detail has been updated in this page. If you have any questions regarding your account, you can call to this number. We got our first Canada Child Benefit payment on 20th September last month. Our next CCB monthly payment will be on 20th October 2023 and the amount is $235.39. To view the payment history from CRA, you can check in CRA mail. Now let me show you how much we received last month. I am clicking on this CCB notice which I have received on 20th September 2023. Date issued was on 20th September. Base year is 2022. Payment period is from July 2023 till June 2024. Our annual CCB entitlement is $2,613.16. We are not eligible for OCB payment. OCB means Ontario Child Benefit. I will discuss about this OCB payment in detail in my upcoming video. So here is the account summary. On 20th September, amount deposited was $475.12. This $475 is actually 2 months CCB monthly payment we received in September month. Based on the family net income and number of eligible children, this CCB amount will be calculated. Here is our monthly entitlement schedule. So every month we will be receiving $237.56 till June 20th, 2024. This is the summary for September month payment, credit for August and entitlement for September, 2 months payment we received in September. It's very important that we should be aware of scammers. Please be aware of these kind of text messages stating CRA has sent you money, please click on this link and so on. The CRA will not send any text messages or instant messages to start a conversation with you about your taxes or benefits. CRA will never send or request e-transfer. They will only send you payment either by direct deposit or by check in the mail. Your CCB monthly payment, if opted as direct deposit, will be credited to your bank account with transaction subject Canada FPT. FPT means Federal Provincial Territorial. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.